Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expressions displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial square, xyz minus 0.5y in parentheses squared, xyz corresponds to the a in the formula, and 0.5y corresponds to the b in the formula. Respectively, in the second binomial square, 0.4y corresponds to the a in the formula, and xyz corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas to each binomial square, this expression equals to xyz in parentheses squared minus 2 times xyz multiplied by 0.5y plus 0.5y in parentheses squared minus in square parentheses 0.4y in parentheses squared plus 2 times 0.4y multiplied by xyz plus xyz in parentheses squared, closing square parentheses. I put this expression in square parentheses because the negative sign in the front applies to each term within the parentheses. When I apply the rules of exponents and simplify further, this expression equals to x squared, y squared, z squared, minus 2 times 0.5 is 1, or minus x, y squared, z, plus 0.25 y squared, minus, now I have to flip the sign of each term within the parentheses. So this is minus 0.16 y squared minus 0.8 x y squared z minus x squared y squared z squared. As a next step, I need to add all like terms that have the same literal parts. Such terms are x squared, y squared, z squared, and negative x squared, y squared, z squared. I also have negative xy squared z and negative 0.8 xy squared z. And lastly, 0.25 y squared and negative 0.16 y squared. So when I add these like terms, first, x squared, y squared, z squared, and negative x squared, y squared, z squared cancel out because their sum equals to 0 since they're the same terms with opposite signs. So what I have is 0.8 and 1 with a negative sign, or minus 1.8 x y squared z, and plus 0.09 y squared, which is the final answer for this exercise. Next exercise. Simplify the expression. In the first binomial square, 0.1m plus mnp in parentheses squared, 0.1m corresponds to the a in the formula, and m and p corresponds to the b in the formula. Respectively, in the second binomial square, m and p corresponds to the a in the formula, and 0.6m corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formulas, I get 0.1m in parentheses squared plus 2 times 0.1 m multiplied by m n p plus m n p in parentheses squared plus m n p in parentheses squared minus 2 times m n p multiplied by 0.6 m plus 0.6 m in parentheses squared. When I calculate the exponents, I get 0.01 m squared plus 0.2 m squared n p plus m squared n squared p squared plus again m squared n squared p squared minus 2 times 0.6 is 1.2 m squared n p plus 0.36 m squared. Next, I need to add all like terms. I have m squared n squared and p squared plus m squared n squared p squared. I also have 0.01 m squared and 0.36 m squared. And lastly, these two terms. So when I add these like terms, I get 2 times m squared n squared p squared plus 0.37 m squared minus m squared n p. I can't simplify this expression further, therefore it's the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.